Good morning students, welcome to online class. In our last class we have learned the lesson polluting the world. We have completed the lesson. Today we will discuss some question answers based on this lesson polluting the world. There are some objective type questions are there. First question is, how are the landscapes derelicted? How are the landscapes derelicted? The answer is, landscapes are derelicted by quarrying or mining or by destroying forests. All these questions are 1 marks questions. Next question is, pollution affects all. Is it true or false? Pollution affects all. It is true. Who are the fellow creatures on earth? Who are the fellow creatures on earth? The fellow creatures on the earth are insects, birds, fish and other animals. Fourth question, name the insecticide used in this article. The insecticide name is DDT. Next question, what is the problem with fish eating birds? The fish eating birds, they have become sterile. Sterile means infertile. ಹಾಳಾಗುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. How do fertilizers and insecticides affect the population? No doubt, the answer is no doubt, by using the fertilizers and insecticides we get bountiful of crops, but by consuming such crop our bodies have retained a few milligrams of DDT which can be deadly. It means which can be harmful for our body. Next question, why do we require agriculture? We required agriculture to feed the swelling population of the world. Next question, massive industrialization has affected especially chemical environment. What has become a cheap dumping ground for all kinds of waste products? The sea has become a cheap dumping ground for waste products. What is the capacity of the sea as mentioned in this article? What is the capacity of the sea as mentioned in this article, means in this lesson? Sea has got a great capacity to break down all kinds of waste products. Next question, what do the industrial and military authorities dump in the sea? The industrial and military authorities dump in the sea that are atomic waste as well as poison gases. Next question, nuclear warfare increases. There are 3 options are given here: wealth, property, leukemia. It is a disease. Nuclear warfare increases leukemia. Next question, it would be dash to shut our eyes to the dangers of population. Here also 3 alternatives are given: wise, foolish, bright. The correct answer is foolish. If it would be foolish to shut our eyes to the dangers of pollution. Next question, which organizations are working to keep the sea clean? There are some international organizations are there. The international organizations are trying to keep the sea clean. Last question, how are campaigns organized? Campaigns are being organized against cutting down the trees. All these are about the objective type question answers. Next class we will discuss some more question answers. Thank you.